Hey, it's Dory, and I haven't spoken to you like this in a long time. I hope you're doing really well. But listen, this video is in a little over a minute. I'm going to teach you how to make 5 portions of my mango breakfast bake. Let's go. Looks really good, right? Yeah, let's get 5 portions done for 5 days of this coming week. We're going to start with our fruit, banana, and frozen mango that I've diced up, keeping 5 pieces to the side. Then we're moving on to our protein. We've got our eggs and raw cashews. Next is our grain. We're using oats. Now the extras: baking soda, baking powder, and salt, Ajika seasoning, and my extracts, vanilla, coconut, and butter. Now, let's get it in the food processor and get this all mixed. By the way, thank you for watching this. My name is Dory, and I've lost over 80 pounds. I've kept it off as well. I follow Brightline Eating. So, let's continue. What I'm going to do here is get this all blended up in the food processor. Now I feel like I'm going to add a little bit of psyllium husk right here just to add that extra fiber boost. Now we're adding our mango, stir that up and refrigerate for 30 minutes. After that is done, let's get them in my favorite silicone baking pans and bake. You guys, look at this. It is immediately out of the oven and it came out of that silicone pan so easy. And it was easy to clean. 5 days, 5 portions. The original recipe will be linked below in the caption. So go ahead and tap that. If you have any questions, let me know.